In this video, I will show you how to change your online store currency in Hostinger website builder. This is my website homepage, and to edit your or to change your online store currency, first you need to remove all payment methods. To do that, go to Store Manager, then click on Store Settings, go to Payments. If you have a payment method enabled or connected, you need to disconnect it or delete it. In my case, I enabled the manual payment method, so in order to disable it, I need to click on Manage, then remove manual payment. Confirm my selection. Head back to Store Settings and click on Store Details. Under currency, open this list and select your new currency. Let's go with the euro, for example, and hit save. As you can see, my updates are saved. What you need to know is that your new currency will only reflect on your new orders. Same thing with your products or shipping prices. You need to edit them manually. And this is how to change your online store currency in Hostinger website builder.